You'll often find fungus and algae growing on the bottoms of walls and on the side of the house that doesn't get much sun. They're both quite easy to treat, so let's get straight to it.
Fungus and algae grow on walls on the outside of a house. The roots of the tiny plants grow into the wall's surface and will break the paint down over a period of time, and so the problem must be eradicated as soon as you notice it.
Mix a solution of 1 part of Jik with 2 parts of water in a garden sprayer and spray the mixture onto the wall. If necessary, scrub areas with heavy algae growth with a scrubbing brush. A good garden pressure sprayer works well and will reach most areas without much effort. Leave the solution on the wall for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with a garden hose. The fungus and algae will disappear from sight, but the roots of the plants will remain embedded in the wall. So a second application is necessary to get rid of the roots, which will cause the plant to grow again if not removed. The second application is the same as the first. Once again, rinse off thoroughly, as any bleach left on the wall could interact with the new paint and cause discoloration or other damage. Now, although it works well, Jik is a bleach and will cause damage to clothing, can be harmful to plants and soil bacteria, and may cause streaking down your path or driveway when it is washed off. Fungus, algae and mildew can slowly but surely cause a great deal of damage to the paint on your walls. Catch and treat them as soon as you can to prevent any major effort and expense.